Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply 88. Today we have for you a Bobcat T108 walk-behind trencher. The purpose of this video today is to give you a quick 360-degree view, start and run the machine here for you and show you that everything works. We'll start you right here at the engine. It's powered by a Wisconsin Robbins single-cylinder gas engine. It starts and runs good, doesn't have any abnormal smoke or noises. You can see up here at the front it has a 3-foot digging bar, and that's what it measures from right back here to here is 3 feet. Approximate digging depth is about 28 inches. Has a standard digging chain. It's approximately 50% with very good teeth. Over here you can see all the tires are in good condition, hold air, there's no air leaks or anything like that. The machine's not welded or busted up. It's in decent shape. Bobcat bought out Burkeen Trenchers, is who made this trencher for Bobcat. You can still get parts and things of that nature. This engages and disengages your clutch to engage the digger chain. This is for boom down, this is for boom up. Then you have reverse, forward, right here on your hydraulic lever. Then you have a valve for speed, fast and slow, key switch and throttle right here. This time we're going to go ahead and start the trencher, and we'll show you that it does trench just the way we say it does. See there from the video, the machine does start running, work just the way we say it does. It's not a brand new trencher. If you're looking for something very, very affordable that you can use and get lots of life out of, here it is. If you have any questions on our Bobcat T108 walk-behind trencher, please give us a call at 814-658-3066. Thanks for checking out Mark Supply 88 and happy eBaying.